Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Vauxhall remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case top to bottom. We do so by getting our flat-headed screwdriver, similar to this one, and just at the back of the fob, just there is an indentation where we can pop the blade of the screwdriver in, push down and give it a twist, which releases the catch just in there, and it splits the two halves of the fob. Now we need to split this fob in half to gain access to the battery. So we just get a smaller screwdriver and just flick these two legs up here on the fob, which splits the case in half. And there you go. There is your key fob battery. We just get our screwdriver again and we just prise it from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just slide it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing on the battery is facing upwards, so you know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So we just get this case and we just pop it on top, make sure everything lines up, and we just click it in place. And now we get the top half of the fob and we just slide it back together. Make sure everything clicks in place, and there you go. It's all done.